Grade 11's worksheets. Instruction number 1. Say true or false. Question number 1. Wisdom includes creative thinking and collective thinking. Question number 2. Internet and the learner is a component of e-learning. Question number 3. Conference call combine both voice communications and video image. Question number 4. A computer program that to understand human language is called robotic. Question number 5. Digital thief is not one of the challenge in e-banking. Question number 3. 3D simulated environment is created by virtual reality. Question number 7. People and hardware is a component of information system. Question number 8. Search engine and the surveillance is a branch of AI. Question number 9. Natural language processing is a computer program that to replace human labor. Question number 10. Virtual reality is an example of emerging technology. Multi-choice instruction number 2. Question 1. Which one is an example of hardware in information system? A. Computers. B. Scanner. C. A database management system. D. A and B. Question 1 2. Which one concept is related with online treatment for patient? A. Telemedicine. B. Telemedicine. C. E-learning. D. None. Question 1 3. What is teleconference? A. Online treatment of patient. B. About e-communication. C. E-learning. D. Emerging technology. 1 4. What all software used to video conference? A. Zoom. B. Google Meet. C. Telephone line. D. A and B. Question 1 5. Which of the following is not an applications of information system or IS? A. E-commerce. B. Information. C. Telemedicine. D. O. 1 6. Component of information system are A. Hardware. B. Software. C. People. D. O. 1 7. From the following, which one is true about VR and AR? A. R is fully immersive technology. B. VR is fully immersive technology. C. VR is partially immersive technology. D. None. 1 8. Which one is not an application of artificial intelligence? A. Online shopping. B. Search engine. C. Social media. D. Natural language processing. 1 9. Which one is an example of natural language processing? A. Spam detection. B. Machine translation. C. Virtual assistant. D. O. 20 or 20. Which one is an example of emerging technology? A. Artificial intelligence. B. Virtual reality. C. Data science. D. All. And instruction number 3 short answers. 21. Write a branch of artificial intelligence. 22. Explain virtual reality and augmented reality. 23. Write applications of artificial intelligence. 24. Define telemedicine, teleconference, e-commerce, and e-learning. 25. What is emerging technology? 26. Write an examples of IT-based businesses. 27. Write some example of hardware in information system component. 28. What is the role of hardware and software in information system? 29. Define data, information, wisdom, and knowledge. 13. Write a challenge of e-banking. 31. Write a video conference tools or software. 32. What is the difference between video conference and audio conference? 33. What is the common service of e-banking? 34. Write some example of a natural language processing. 35. What is the difference between knowledge base, inference engines, and user interface? 35 questions mainly related in expert system. So, expert system have three components. What is the role of these tools? Our lessons efficiency for today. Bye bye.